Hello, Taurus. Welcome to my channel, Minka's Messages. My name is Lisa. I'm getting ready to do a reading for the Taurus Collective. This is a general reading. Please keep that in mind. I can't possibly read for everybody in the collective, so I pick up on the strongest energies that I feel. That being said, you may or may not resonate with the messages I give here today. And if you find that you're not resonating, please just take whatever you do resonate with. Leave the rest behind for whoever might need to hear it. You also can go check out your other significant placements like your Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. You may find your messages there. If you'd like a more personalized reading, I am doing private readings at this time. You can find the information for that in the description box below. And I'd appreciate it if you like this kind of content, if you would please press the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Completely free for you to subscribe and helps my channel to grow, helps me to get my message out to more people who might need to hear it. Let's get started. I'm just going to say a quick prayer. Divine Creator, Holy Mother, Holy Father, Archangels, Spirit Guides, and Ancestors, asking you for messages for the Taurus Collective. Messages for the Taurus Collective. Looking for recent past now for Taurus. Recent past for Taurus. Recent past for Taurus. Looking for present for Taurus now. Looking for present messages. One more for Taurus, please. Looking for near future messages for Taurus. Near future for Taurus, please. Near future messages for Taurus, please. Okay. Overall general message for this reading. The Knight of Swords. The Knight of Swords is a knight that comes in usually with a message or an offer. It's usually communication that they want to bring in. They have a message for you. Okay, that's very fast and quick, and they're rushing to get it to you. All right, so let's clarify these, and we will see how that relates to the Knight of Swords. Divine Creator, Holy Mother, Holy Father, Archangels, Spirit Guides, and Ancestors, asking you for messages for the Taurus Collective. Messages for the Taurus Collective. Okay, we're going to start with the Seven of Swords. Clarify the Seven of Swords, please. The Lovers, and I'm just going to cover this up because of YouTube. Ooh, excuse me. Too many there. Sorry, I was meditating. It made me sleepy. Okay. All right, so what I see here is I see somebody here trying to, interesting that we have this one too. I see somebody here trying to get away with something in a relationship. This is my Liar, Cheater, Stealer card. Somebody could have, one of the partners in this relationship could have been trying to get away with something. Could have had obsessive thinking, could have had addictive thinking, could have had addictions, excuse me. You know, could have had anything that pulled you away from your higher self. That is what the devil is, okay? So anything that comes in between you and your higher self, blocks it, is an obstacle to it. And you may have had to make a choice. This is, in the olden days, this card was called the choice. So it's about making a decision or making a choice. Sometimes it doesn't even have to do with lovers, but I feel that because the devil is here with the lovers too, I feel that it is to do with a love relationship. And you may have had to make a choice here related to this energy that was trying to get away with something that was not for your highest good, that was not for your highest self, that didn't have your highest self in its best interest. It wasn't interested in your higher self, okay? Eight of Cups. Clarify the Eight of Cups, please, for Taurus, recent past. Thank you. Okay. We have the Knight of Wands and the Ace of Wands. Yeah. I feel like some of you had to walk away from something that you were once passionate about. Some of you had to walk away from this Knight of Wands. And some of you had to have a new, start a new passionate beginning in your life. Some of you had to walk away from, you know, sometimes this represents a phallic symbol for me. So some of you had to walk away from sex or from intimacy for a while. I just feel like some of you had to walk away from something you were passionate about. Knight of Pentacles, or King of Pentacles, I'm sorry. King of Pentacles, the richest king in the deck. The most abundant king in the deck. Page of Wands in reverse and the Three of Cups. The Page of Wands in reverse for me is immature, impulsive, impetuous. Yeah. Sometimes selfish, concerned with his own wand. May have been, this Page of Wands was immature and may have been partying a little too much. And I feel like it put a lot of responsibilities on this King of Pentacles. And I feel like you're the King of Pentacles. I feel like you're the King of Pentacles and you're dealing with this Page of Wands that is very immature. And maybe partying too much. And you're trying to be more sensible and grounded and abundant. And this person is in partying too much and very selfish, more concerned about their want than they are about building with you. And there, for some of you, there may have actually been a third party involved, or a third, or another situation involved that was coming in. Okay, we're moving on to current energies. We've got the Queen of Pentacles here. Okay, I'm just making sure that you're seeing them all. Okay, we've got the Queen of Pentacles, current for Taurus. Queen of Pentacles for Taurus. We've got the Emperor. Yeah, let me just see if there's more than, yes there is. Oh yeah, too many. Okay, let's try this again. Queen of Pentacles, I need one more card, please. Queen of Pentacles, one more. Queen of Pentacles. Present. One more card, please. Thank you. I've got two more. They want me to tell a story. Okay. They're always giving me like tons of cards. Okay. So I feel like this is you. I feel like this is you. Yeah, and I feel like you felt betrayed. You are healing, and you're at the end of a cycle of feeling betrayed. I feel like you've had an epiphany. You've woken up. You've taken action. You've made a decision, and you said no more. No more of whatever this sneaky behavior was back here. No more of the selfishness. No more of the third parties. You've taken action. You've made a decision. I don't want to feel betrayed anymore. And like I said, you've had this epiphany, and this could have been like a sudden shakedown in your relationship. Obviously it was, because next you have the Tower. And the Tower in reverse is just telling me that the energy is starting to come in, and here it's in. The Tower is in. There is a sudden impactful change that's taking place. Too many. Clarify the Tower, present for Taurus. Clarify the Tower, present for Taurus, please. Too many. The Tower. Clarify the Tower for Taurus, present, please. I think I dropped another one. Let me just see. I swear I dropped another one. Maybe I didn't. Okay. All right, I don't know where it went. I don't know if I did drop another one. It's just weird that I thought I dropped another one. You know, I'll probably find it 5 days from now in a different deck. It's so weird how things like that happen. Anyways, here I feel like you're weighing out the pros and cons in this relationship. I feel like there's a sudden impactful change. It's like an epiphany. You wake up, you see what's happening, you say no more. I deserve more than this. This is the Queen of Pentacles. She knows her worth. She knows she deserves more. The Queen of Pentacles attracts abundance, and this is what you want in your life. You want no more hurt. You want no more pain. You're weighing out the pros and cons. You feel like you're done with the ups and downs, the emotional roller coaster. Excuse me. And we're moving on. Again, here, you have the Ace of Swords. This is getting clarity on a situation. This is just like your epiphany. You're waking up. You want clarity. Lovers in reverse is telling me there's a choice that you may have had to make in your relationship. And it might be a choice it's not a comfortable choice, not a choice you wanted to make. Okay. Clarify the Ace of Swords and the Lovers in reverse. Queen of Swords in reverse. Oh, goodness. I'm not. One more, please. One more. Clarify the Queen of Swords. Okay. Yeah. All right. So what we have here is absolute clarity. Absolute clarity. You know what you want. Ready to cut somebody off at the littlest thing. You made a choice. You made a decision or a choice in your relationship. There may have been dishonesty. There may have been lack of integrity. There may have been some lack of clarity in the past, but now you have clarity. Okay? It looks like you waited for a long time. You may have been in a situation where you didn't know. You were in a waiting period. You didn't know what choice to make, but now you do. Now there's clarity. Now there is crystal clarity. Okay? King of Swords in reverse. We're moving on to the near future here. For Taurus, near future. King of Swords in reverse, near future. Oh, we've got the King of Cups and we've got the Six of Cups. All right, so this King of Cups, who you love, who loves you, who may be either a soulmate for some of you, or who may be, this is somebody who you've known for a long time, maybe even since childhood. When the King of Swords is in reverse, it's telling me there either could be some dishonesty. There could be lack of integrity. I don't think it's lack of clarity, because I really feel here you're crystal clear. You see her? You see her there? It's coming in crystal clear from the universe. They're sending you a message, and you got it. You got it, babe. Okay? You've got the message crystal clear. You know what you want. So I feel like there's either dishonesty or lack of integrity here, okay? And I feel like maybe it tortures you. Maybe it's hard for you because you have known, because you love this man. And he loves you, and you've known him for so long. And I feel like that's what's causing maybe an obstacle here, or maybe, maybe it's getting in the way of you doing the right thing, or what it is that you really want to do. We're going to Five of Pentacles in reverse. Clarify the Five of Pentacles in reverse. It's too many. Clarify the Five of Pentacles. Okay, we've got the Queen of Wands and we've got the Nine of Cups. So the Five of Pentacles in reverse is like reconnecting with the world, reconnecting with those people that you love. You may have been isolating, or you may have felt abandonment or left out in the cold for a little while. And this is a feeling of reconnecting. I feel like you're getting your mojo back. You're feeling more self-confident. You're feeling what you're reconnecting with your self-esteem. You're reconnecting with divinity, with source energy. See, she holds a sunflower. The sunflowers grow towards the light. So this tells me you're reconnecting with source energy or creator energy. Okay? It also tells me you may be reconnecting with being creative. Maybe you haven't felt like being creative for a little while, and you're getting that mojo back. Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups is wish fulfillment. So this tells me that you're either someone's wish fulfillment here, or they're your wish fulfillment. The other thing is that, again, this card here tells me somebody could have been partying too hard, this Page of Wands. This also can be a card about partying too much. However, I'm not sure here that it means that. For some of you it might, and for others of you, you just could be someone's wish fulfillment. Especially because we have the Knight of Cups next here, okay? Knight of Cups. Clarify the Knight of Cups for Taurus, near future. Clarify the Knight of Cups for Taurus, near future, please. Thank you. Again, we've got the Five of Pentacles. So funny. Five of Pentacles in reverse. Too many there. One more. I need one more for the Knight of Cups, please. One more clarification card for the Knight of Cups, near future. All right, so this is coming in kind of sideways, so that's how we'll take it. Well, interesting. This happens to me a lot, that the overall general message of the reading ends up being the very last card. It's almost like the reading has come full circle. So somebody has an offer of love. Somebody loves you a lot here and has an offer of love for you. They want to reconnect with you. Yeah, they want to reconnect with you here. They may have felt left out in the cold for a little while, or left you feeling left out in the cold, but they have a message for you. They're coming in fast and furious here. They're coming in, and they they want to tell you that they love you, that they miss you, that you are their wish fulfillment, that they're you are everything that they want. Okay? They want to be honest. They want to have integrity. They want to be everything that they weren't up here. That's what I'm seeing. I'm sorry, I keep coughing. I've got like a frog in my throat. Excuse me. I'm gonna have a sip of my drink. Okay. Yeah. And I feel like that's why the Knight of Swords is your overall general message for this reading, is because this person has come 360 with you, and they coming in with a message that they want to be this person. They want to be this they love you, and they want to be this person for you. They want to be honest. They want to be forthcoming. They want to be they want to have integrity. They want to have connection. They want to, they see who you are. They see your mojo. They see that you're the Queen of Pentacles. They see that you absolutely will not accept anything less than what you deserve, and they want to live up to that standard. They want to come up. They want to meet you at that level. Okay? I am going to pull a love oracle card now for Taurus. One love oracle message for Taurus, please. We've got this one, so this is the one I'm going to take. Trust. Transformation occurs transformation occurs through acceptance. Once you accept the current situation, it will automatically transform. Trust. Okay? We've got, I'm going to do one of these. Actually, you know what? I have time. I'm going to do one of these big ones today. One for Taurus, please. Nature. I'm going to read this to you because I don't know these cards yet. Nature. It's a beautiful card. An exotic dancer holds a rapturous pose amid wild flowers. Amid wildflowers and seed heads in a faraway field. Free from the restriction of worldly cares, her sun-kissed body and delicate skin blend organically with the wild beauty around her. This image captures all of nature's elements in the sky beyond air, the distant sea, water, the warmth of the sun, fire, and the soil beneath her feet, earth. Although the dry land looks barren, dandelions and poppies abound. The red poppy is associated with death, remembrance, and renewal. Red is the color of energy, life force, and the root chakra in the human aura. By nourishment absorbed through the earth, this chakra helps sustain all other chakras, enabling them to thrive and remain healthy. With the quickening pace of technological culture and urbanization, okay, I'm trying to hold this steady for you, but I don't want it to be shaky. Okay, let's see. With the quickening pace of technological culture and urbanization, our connection with nature is severely eroded. And yet, it is Mother Nature who provides us with so many gifts by putting us directly in touch with the season cycles and bounties of life. She reveals the smallness of our place in context with the unfathomable mysteries of her infinite wisdom. Mother Nature inspires humility and wonder, leading us to question and hopefully respect the miracle of life, death, and transmutation. By observing and honoring the sacredness of nature's kingdom, we gain a fuller understanding of what it means to be united through our connection to the universe and cosmos. She can lead us to oneness by providing a living bridge between the earthly and heavenly realms, And the saying goes, as above, so below. The presence of this card invites you to realign your energies through deepening your affinity with nature. Perhaps you have been overwhelmed by the pressures of daily life or are recovering from a big ordeal. You may feel lost in the details or trapped in a relentless cycle of habitual thoughts or patterns of relating that no longer serve you well. And at any level, evaluate your integration with nature and allow your intuition to reveal how you would most benefit from her healing elixir. That's beautiful. Okay, so nature. Oh, I love that card. I love that card. Okay. All right, I'm going to do final messages from the universe, okay? So we're just going to wrap it up with final words, final messages from the universe here. Final words. Any final words for Taurus that you want them to know? Messages that you want them to hear? Anything for their highest good for this week? Any messages for their highest good? Divine Creator, Holy Mother, Holy Father, Archangels, Spirit Guides, Ancestors, messages for Taurus's highest good. Messages for the highest good for Taurus. I want to get a good shuffle here. Hold on. One good shuffle. All right, that's good. That's good. Highest good for Taurus. Highest good for Taurus. Messages for the highest good for Taurus for the week. What would you want them to know? What do you want them to hear? What do you want them to see? Show me clearly, please. Show me clearly for their own good, for their highest good. Thank you. Five of Pentacles. There it is again. And it kind of came out kind of sideways, so we'll see what it means. Final words from the universe for Taurus for this week. The Star. The Ten of Cups in reverse. The Star. King of Wands. One more, please. One more. Final messages, final words from the universe. Thank you. Oh, we got two more. Oh, we got three more. That's okay. Ace of Wands in reverse. The High Priestess in reverse. The Seven of Cups. Okay. All right. Let's pull this over here. Somebody might be feeling a little abandoned or left out in the cold here. I feel like your hopes and dreams, I feel like you had a lot of hopes. dreams for a new start with this King of Wands. I feel like you're not using your intuitive nature here. You're not listening to your intuition, some of you. Yeah, some of you are not listening to your intuition. And I feel like what it's doing is it's adding to confusion. You're sort of in this state of not knowing what to do, feeling like there's all these options and you just don't know which one to choose, but you're not listening to your intuition. And maybe it's because your intuition is not giving you what you want for your hopes and dreams. Yeah. Again, I'm just going to go over it real quickly. It's like you're feeling left out in the cold. You may feel that your hopes and dreams of somebody didn't come to fruition. It was sort of like a dream you had with somebody that didn't come to fruition. I feel like you had hopes and dreams of being with this King of Wands, which kind of came in a little bit sideways, and that can kind of mean that sometimes there is a little bit of lack of integrity or a little bit of player energy. I feel like this a new start that doesn't happen here, because there's a lack of passion here. This is a lack of passion. This is losing your passion for something. And the reason that you feel confused here is because you're not using your intuition here. You're not listening to that inner voice that knows. Or the other thing for some of you, the High Priestess in reverse can mean that there's something that you don't know. There's something that's being hidden from you, or that you don't know. And it's leading you to a state of confusion. Okay? So, Taurus, what I'm going to say is listen to your intuition. Follow your intuition. Listen to your gut feeling. Okay? Whatever your gut feeling is. Spend time in meditation if you don't know. Spend time. You'll know. There's a certain knowing that comes with your intuition. Okay? And it's a little still voice. And it will lead you the right way if you follow it. Okay? Taurus, thank you so much. If you're still with me, thank you. I appreciate you. I ask that you please don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Helps my channel to grow. Completely free for you to do so. Helps me to get my message out to more people that might need to hear it. And I ask that you please have a very blessed and abundant week. Namaste.